na po ang mga atleta dito sa summer. Yan. Medyo nag-ano na sila, nagre-ready na sila, kumakain na sila. Yung mga bag nila naka-ready na, mga bagay ng ating mga atleta. Kanya-kanyang picture. Ano pa ay nandito pa naglalaro. Dito sila tapos.
Experience-wise, same as other delegation, pero experiences, pero manageable naman mga lapses sa post. We understand. Example, one concern na sa mga offices, because we as sports director, the group of sports director, as the technical committee, we have a series of meetings prior to screening teams, what would be the different teams to be played, kasama yung ability, yun nga, sa UAP, anticipating na talaga ang kalbayog makuha ang source. Kaya nakuha kami din sa meetings nila, we understand also na butik na employee nila. So, I advise my coaches to bring their own feelings. Kasi sa meeting namin before, pag-usapan na yung feelings, may limited.
Ano natin mga atleta kung sugadin ang klase, venue, an accommodation, tapos ito na mga problema.
Siguro sa effect sa part sa athletes, asa yung ano is napipirawan athletes because of yung kuha nila din ang mga aringasa sa ability nila. So di rin ang natulog ang mga athletes kasi may advertise na almost 24 hours na aringasa. Medyo mga unlike sa ibang delegation siguro, kuhan sila. Walay disturbance sa ilang ability nila. There are lucky that they're coming to UAP harus medyo kasi panelis kuyak pa naman, yung coaches namin is aware naman the dedication to the athletes. Paginari mo lang, ganito lang, this is what we have to do para ganun lang ang coaches na iwin mo yung
Diba from here, dumi natin pwede natin i-compute para mag-physical like pwede sa national, so paano na kung kaya na pala rin natin na manage properly tapos as to hitin accommodation very mahirap so paano makakaagaw ang national icon sa mga atleta na pwede natin i-compute na natin
actually, ang selection natin is all the ways. example, sa ball games, yung winning coach, siya may option to choose player. Kasi, before kasi, we have 50% sa winning team, 20% for the first runner-up, 20% for the bronze or the third runner-up. So now, we give discretion to the winning coach. So pwede siya mag-pick up the coach sa non-winning as long as gamit siya to obtain 2% competition. So, anyway, sa management, wala namang problema how to choose sa athlete. Kaya lang, basically, ang apektado at kaya may mga athletes na talaga ang nag-decline ang performance nila because of
So, paano, ano yung recommendation, sir? Like, next naman na mabuhos.
Okay, yun, kaya na pala because UAP will be hosting the next Miskwa. There is a confirmation from our university president that we will be hosting the next Miskwa. So, me as a sports director, definitely, iibahan namin dito na will give consideration kung the ability na maging medyo conducive for the athletes. That's targeted.
Wala po nito, lessons learned.
Yeah, lessons learned. So, di rin na namin, we will try our best na ma-manage yung mga kung may mga advertisement man, wala yung aringasa sa ability niya. Para yan sa market, gumas ko na iya talaga dapat niya na
Sir, para natin mga atleta din. Pero baka bulan, pero kapag years, ba na, ang hirap training, sir?
Siguro, ang kanya na is mga more than 1 month lang because we have conducted our UAP Athletic Association Games last October. So, November is the whole month for training, and then December is pa. Baby! So, 1.5. Pero there are some athletes na because in UAP kasi we give athletes training style. So, may sila 2,500 na training style. So, kaya they are obliged yung mga varsity athlete to train because of the 2,500 monthly na receive. So, kasi pag walang training, walang stipend.
Parang benefit.
I don't know with other schools for UAP.
Do you give also budget for coaches?
No. Ang coaches is support talaga ang coaches, passion na nila to hold the team. In fact, the coaches are spending their own money to just to have the team.
Sir, pero natin ang delegation
From UAP, we have 278 athletes. And then, coaches is 135.
pero na daw lang.
Hindi pa ako makapang sa total starting kasi two teams playing in the field. Ngayon, siguro nasa 18-20 goal.
So, pasok kayo sa finals. Pasok kayo kasi may game pa kayo.
Opo, the baseball and softball, and we're waiting for the result, for the baseball and softball. So, if you will be fortunate enough